Guys, I don't know how to say this, but for those of you that are already in e-estate, you already know this, right? Those that are not in e-estate, probably you don't know this. Don't mess with e-estate, because e-estate is always on point in everything. When I mean in everything, they are always on point. And let me prove that to you. Okay, I'm going to show you a few screenshots and you are going to make that decision whether you want to join e-estate or not. And for those that are already in e-estate, whether you want to take advantage of this summer promo that is currently on and ending on the 12th of July. Okay, so very quickly, this is what they are offering. Okay, you are going to be getting the lake house for free if you purchase the desert villa. Okay, you probably must have listened to this my video many times about this promo, but there's a reason why I am telling you about this, because this type of promo, you can't get it again. It's one-off kind of promo. So if you miss this window between now that you are watching this video and on the 12th of July, if you miss that window, it's gone. You are not going to get this again. So here is why I said don't mess with e-estate. This is it. They've promised that they were going to give you free lake house when you purchase the desert villa, and this is example of what they have done. They promised and they kept that promise. This is a screenshot of a team member that has purchased a desert villa for $1,062, even though the minimum to purchase the desert villa is $1,000. This guy went ahead and purchased $1,062 worth of desert villa, and then he got $250 for free for the lake house, as they actually promised. And then he did it again the second time, right? He purchased another desert villa and he was given another lake house. So you can see he did the purchase twice. Okay, one desert villa here, another desert villa here, and then one lake house here, one lake house here, exactly as they promised, right? So don't sit on these guys. I am telling you right now, if you have 1,000 that you can spare, bring it into e-estate, purchase this desert villa, and then get the lake house for free. It's $250. That's what you're getting for free, right? So again, I'm just repeating myself here because I am very excited. So I don't know how to really explain this to you. This is another member of e-estate that has done multiple purchases of the 1,000 villa, which is the desert villa, the one that is on promo right now. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 7 desert villas, right? 7 of these, which is $7,000, right? Counting by that screenshot. And he was given the equivalent of the lake house. So don't sit on these guys, because this is happening right now. These are promises that they have made, and they have kept the promises. So don't mess with e-estate, because they do exactly as they have said they are going to do. Okay, they don't go back on their words like any other platform out there. So guys, grab the link below this video description, go back into your back office, register, deposit your $1,000, purchase your desert villa, and get your lake house for free. That's all I have for you today. Thank you and God bless.